Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll show you how to make this cute crochet cherry hair tie. Let's begin. Start with your hair elastic. Join the green yarn to the elastic. Now work single crochet stitches all around the elastic until it is completely covered. Make sure the stitches sit closely together without leaving any gaps. Once you've covered the entire elastic, join with a slip stitch. Now we'll crochet the leafy edge. Chain 3. In the next stitch work 2 double crochet. Chain 2. 2 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch and make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this same pattern all the way around the hair. Tie to create beautiful leaf shapes. Continue until you reach the starting point. Finish with a slip stitch and cut the yarn. We now have our leafy green base. Make a magic ring. Work 12 double crochet into the ring. Pull the ring tightly closed. Join with a slip stitch. Now crochet a chain long enough to become the cherry stem. Fasten off while leaving a tail for sewing. Repeat exactly the same process. Again, make a magic ring. Work 12 double crochet. Close the ring. Join with a slip stitch. Make another chain for the stem. Fasten off. Place cherries beside each other. Arrange the stems neatly. Sew the stems onto one side of the green hair tie. Make sure cherries hang naturally. Secure the stitches firmly. And that's it! Our crochet cherry hair tie is now complete. It's soft, lightweight, and looks absolutely adorable on ponytails or buns. You can also make it in different colors like strawberries, blueberries, or even pastel cherries for a unique look. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crochet tutorials.